Hello and welcome to today's edition of I Guess You Missed Science Class. So sad. I hope you come back tomorrow. We miss you. So today we did Station B, which is called Tiny Puddles. And the purpose of this is to determine if wet spots created by a sponge will dry more quickly in the sun or in the shade. Now yesterday when we wrapped up Station A, which was the celery model, we talked a little bit about how sunlight works as an energy driver to move water. So we mentioned transpiration and how water moves through plants. Today we're going to be investigating something a little bit different. So make your prediction here in your packet. Will the wet spot created by your sponge dry more quickly in the sun or in the shade? So basically we have a little setup here. We're going to put a mark with a sponge that is damp. Let me shut the light off so you can see it here. In a spot here labeled sun, and then over here labeled shade. Now the one in the sun obviously has a heat lamp pointed directly at it, so we're going to make a little mark and see how long it takes for that to dry. We'll have a timer going so that we can record the time in seconds. Okay? Now because of the glare, you probably won't be able to see it, so I'll move the camera around a little bit. All right, so let's get our wet spot on there so you can see it. Okay, we'll start our timer and turn on that lamp. I guess you can kind of see it. Pretty dry here. And it looks like that last little bit is almost done. Almost gone. 49 seconds. So in your lab where it says sunny spot, time to dry in seconds, 49 seconds. Now we're going to turn the light off. We're going to clear our timer, and we're going to do the same thing in the shade. So we'll make a little spot, and then we'll start our timer. So I paused a little bit so that the video didn't run too long. But you can see that our shady spot is taking a little bit longer to dry here. Now remember, we're recording our time in seconds. Our stopwatch is doing minutes and seconds, so we'll have to do a little math problem to convert that. Looks like we're almost dry. One little spot left there. Going, gone. 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Now remember, you have to record that time in seconds. So you can do that little math conversion, and then right here, where it says shady spot, record that time. Now when that is finished, over here, you're going to be drawing models of what you saw. So sunny spot model goes here, shady spot model goes here. Make sure you include the water, the arrows showing the movement of water, and a description of how the water changed. So again, think about what we talked about with transpiration. See if we can come up with another process for what's going on here. And then, after we've gathered this evidence, answer that question, does the evidence support your prediction? Go back to see what you predicted, and did that evidence support? Hope to see you tomorrow.